Judy Cooking 360. So today we're making sweet and sour chicken. Let me put my gloves on. In here I have 8 pieces of chicken thighs. So first of all, we're going to season this up with a teaspoon of sugar, just about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Because I'm doing 8 pieces, I'm doing 2 tablespoons. And for sure, just a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt, just to balance the sugar. And then a little bit more than a teaspoon of sesame oil. Here we go. Yeah, about 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil. You want that rich flavor in it. Okay, now this is what we do. Really get in there and rub this in. Because you want this to really soak into the chicken. You want all that flavor wrapped up in it. Okay. And then we're gonna put 1 egg. This is like, it's gonna really hold it. Together. And then we're gonna put some soy sauce. Not soy sauce, cornstarch. Now I'm gonna end up doing like a cup in here because I want all of the pieces to be covered completely with the cornstarch so that when I fry it, it really gets coated. Everything gets, all the pieces get coated. So you get that nice, rich skin on it when you fry it. Okay? That's what we're looking for. See that, guys? Covered, fully covered. Want it fully covered. Get in there and get it all covered up. See if there's some spots that doesn't have anything on there. Just go ahead and put a little bit more. Like I said, you want when it's frying, it's fully coated. That's what you're looking for. Because that is what is gonna hold the sauce onto it when you put the sauce on there. Okay. So I have here a 1/2 pot of corn oil. You have to put oil in there that can hold the heat in it. You know what? Let me just finish this off in here. Now, As you can see, I put a little bit less than a half of a pot because after you put your chicken in, it's gonna come up a little bit higher. I did have a tray here where I wanted to put this in so I can shake the cornstarch off so I don't get a lot of cornstarch. Alrighty. Here we go. Let's take some up. Now we're not going to do the whole thing at the same time. And your pot should be completely and now we're back. My chicken is fully fried up. And so now we're gonna fry our vegetables. What I did was drain off most of the oil. Just left a little fry like this. Once the onions become translucent, because that's what you're looking for, then you add your bell peppers and your garlic. All at once. Oh boy. Look at those colors, guys. You just want to cook them for a minute. Just a minute. You can smell that ginger. Okay. And then we can go ahead and add our sauce in. That color is looking good. Then we add all the chicken. We just go ahead and add all our chicken in there. Give it a good stir because you want it to be fully coated. Just give that a minute. And then we have some rice here. we're gonna spread it on top. There we go. All that sauce. Let's just pour it all over on top. The smell, guys, the smell is so good. Let's turn this off. Here we go. Let's get some of that sauce out of there. I don't know about you guys, but I like the sauce.